Welcome to this complete walkthrough of our advanced medical practice management app, designed specifically for doctors and healthcare professionals. Today, I'll show you every feature that makes patient care seamless. From appointment management to billing and everything in between. This all-in-one platform helps doctors manage diagnosis, prescriptions, lab tests, treatment plans, medicine dispensing, and complete payment tracking. Let's start with the Doctor Dashboard, your command center for daily practice management. At the top, a friendly welcome, doctor, with today's date right next to it. Below that, the metrics you need at a glance: upcoming appointments, completed appointments, today's appointments, and total patient count. Then comes the Quick Action Center. Need to manage your clinic? Set availability? Add treatment plans? It's all just a tap away. Color-coded cards help you navigate fast and efficiently. Tap on any appointment, and you'll see everything you need. Patient details: name, age, gender, contact info. Appointment info: time, date, type, and description. You'll even see the patient's entire diagnosis history. All past diagnoses, prescribed medicines, lab tests, and treatment plans all in one place. And yes, you can start a new diagnosis instantly. At the top, you'll see the patient information card. Here, you can enter or edit the patient's name, age or date of birth, gender, weight, allergies, and contact information. If the patient already exists, search by their unique 6-digit patient ID for instant autofill. All fields are designed for quick entry, with clear labels and a modern, clean interface. Next, add the patient's presenting issues. You can add multiple issues dynamically, perfect for complex cases. Edit or remove any issue at any time. Each issue is saved in real time, ensuring nothing is lost. The Quick Actions section lets you manage the entire care workflow from one place. Add prescription. Search and select medicines. Add dosage, timing, and instructions. Add lab test. Assign diagnostic tests and track them for this diagnosis. Assign treatment plan. Create and link treatment protocols. All actions are just a tap away, streamlining your workflow. As you add medicines, lab tests, or treatment plans, they appear instantly in their respective sections below. Current prescription. See all medicines for this diagnosis with options to edit or delete. Assign lab tests. View and manage all diagnostic tests. Treatment plans. Track all assigned protocols and their details. Everything updates in real time, so you always have the latest information. Once your diagnosis is complete, simply check the Completed Diagnosis box. The system will confirm your action and update the patient's record and appointment status automatically. When you assign a lab test during diagnosis, you'll see an option to mark it as in-house. If you check this box, the system knows the test will be conducted within your clinic. As soon as you save, the app automatically creates a pending payment entry for this lab test in the patient's payment history. This ensures the test fee is billed to the patient and visible for your accounts team. The profile setup is your gateway to using the complete medical app. Here you'll configure your professional information, clinic locations, and working hours. The system uses a smart progress-based approach with two main sections: Profile and clinics. Profile setup is one-time setup. You can update as your wish. Let's start with the professional information section. Essential information fields include name, your full professional name, which is autofilled if you're a registered user. Phone number, your contact number for appointments. Specialty, choose from orthopedic, pediatrics, general medicine, or add custom specialties. Highest qualification, your medical degree and certifications. Achievement, awards, recognitions, or notable accomplishments. Consultation fee, your standard consultation charges. About us, a professional bio describing your practice and expertise. If you're already registered as a doctor user, the system automatically fills your name, phone, and specialty from your registration details, saving you time. Once your profile is saved, you move to the clinics section. This is where the real power shows. Tap Add Clinic to open the clinic configuration model. Clinic selection process. Clinic name, choose from existing clinics in the database. Clinic address, automatically populated based on your selection. Booking days, system shows available days, excluding clinic off days. Working hours, set your start and end times for each day. You can add multiple clinic locations with different schedules. Different working hours for each clinic. Different days of operation. Separate time slot management per location. After adding a clinic, you can configure detailed appointment slots. For each clinic and day combination, tap on any clinic time slot to open the time slot editor. Set specific appointment durations, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. Set maximum appointments per slot. Once time slots are configured, the system makes those slots available to customers for booking directly through the app or web platform. In this segment, we are diving into the All Patients page, your central hub for viewing, searching, and managing every patient record in your clinic. This page lists all patients associated with your profile. From here you can quickly search and filter patient records. View key details at a glance, name, ID, HDOB, gender, contact, allergies. Navigate directly to each patient's payment history or detailed record. Add new patients on the fly with the floating action button. When you tap a patient row, the app navigates to that patient's payment history page so you can instantly review or record payments, view outstanding balances, and add new transactions. This seamless flow keeps you one click away from financial details. Need to enroll a new patient? Just tap the Add Patient floating button in the bottom right corner. You'll be guided through a quick form to capture their personal and contact information, then they appear immediately in your patient list. I'll show you how easy it is to assign a treatment plan to a patient in our doctor app, and how this is automatically linked to the patient's payment history for smooth billing. For example, if a patient needs physiotherapy for 4 weeks, you can create a treatment plan with all the details like duration, category, price, and instructions. Let's see how to assign a treatment plan. On the Assign Treatment Plan page, you'll see a list of available plans. You can search by name or category to quickly find the right one. Tap on the treatment plan you want to assign. You can select one or multiple plans for the patient. Once you've selected the plans, tap the Assign button at the bottom. That's it. The treatment plan is now linked to the patient's current diagnosis. Now, here's the smart part. If the treatment plan is marked as in-house, meaning it's provided inside your clinic, the app will automatically add the cost of that plan to the patient's payment history as a pending payment. This means the patient's bill is updated instantly with no extra work for you. This page lets you quickly assign one or more lab tests to a patient as part of their diagnosis. You can search and filter from all available lab tests. See details like name, price, provider, and if it's done in your clinic, in-house. Select multiple tests at once for a single patient. At the top, use the search bar to find the right test by name, description, or provider. Each lab test card shows test name and description, price, provider, and clinic. A green in-house badge if it's performed in your clinic. Just tap the checkbox to select one or more tests for your patient. Once you've selected the tests, tap the Assign Lab Test button at the bottom. The app will link these tests to the patient's current diagnosis. Instantly update the patient's medical record with the assigned tests. Show a confirmation message when done. Here's the smart part. If any selected lab test is marked as in-house and has a price, the app will automatically add a pending payment entry for that test in the patient's payment history. This means the patient's bill is updated right away. No manual billing needed for in-house tests. We'll walk through the add prescription and add medicine screens, showing how doctors can quickly prescribe medicines and how this fits into the patient care workflow. When you start a new prescription, you'll see a searchable list of available medicines. Use the search bar to quickly find any medicine by name, type, or description. Tap on a medicine to select it. You can select multiple medicines for a single prescription. The selected medicines appear in a summary below, where you can review or remove any before proceeding. If you need to add a new medicine that's not in the list, just tap the floating plus button. After selecting medicines, you'll configure the details for each one. Enter the medicine name, type, tablet, syrup, etc., and dosage. Set the treatment duration, choose from quick options or enter a custom number of days. Specify the times of day the medicine should be taken, using quick presets like once, twice, or thrice daily, or add custom times. Add any special instructions, such as take with food or avoid alcohol. You can add details for multiple medicines in one go, making the process fast and organized. If the patient chooses to buy medicines from your clinic, the Dispense Medicine module will use this prescription to handle billing and inventory. This separation keeps medical care and billing organized and transparent. This application streamlines the customer experience by providing an organized, user-friendly platform for managing medical care and billing. By integrating essential features and maintaining clear separation between healthcare services and financial processes, it ensures efficiency, accuracy, and convenience for both patients and providers. Overall, the application enhances the quality of service and supports better healthcare management.